Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here showing you a new process video using the beautiful perspectives, and I choose the collection Cocoa Vanilla, a sun kissed, and I was inspired by a layout of a Susie scrap, and I love the folding papers on my scrapbook page. So I fold some papers, some different design papers from the collection from Cocoa Vanilla. I fold them and I use some adhesive tape to hold those folded papers. But first I start to cut some design paper to size, and I ruffle the edges, and I using some adhesive tape and put design papers behind the photo. I'm using my sewing machine and I choose some golden sewing thread, and I stitch on top of the folded papers. I stitch with the golden sewing thread, and I love sewing details on my scrapbook pages too, so I using my sewing machine a lot, and I like the effect of the stitch edges on the top of these folded papers. Now it's time to decorate my scrapbook page further with those folded papers, and I'm using here. I use a 3D foam to put the papers to stuck the papers on my pages, so I can slide easily other paper layers underneath the folded layers. At the top I'm using some golden clip, and I love how that looks like. So here I put the design paper behind the photo, and I place the photo in the center of this page. Here I place some other folded papers under my photo, and I love the design of all those folded papers on my layout. It gives your layout so much more dimension, and I really love it. I already made a cluster from the flowers, from the die cut flowers from the Cocoa Vanilla, and I place my die cut flowers under my photo. And the perspectives I use is the word summer, and it was broken, but I definitely wanted to use this word title as summer, and I'm using some glossy accents to glue everything together, and you see really almost nothing that the perspective was broken. So um, no matter what, if your perspectives are broken, you can still use your perspectives, and on the photos you see nearly that this was perspective was broken. So don't throw it away, but when your perspectives are broken, but just use it and glue them together with some glossy accents. Here I made another cluster with some flowers, a little bit of puzzle how I want to place the cluster, how I want to make a cluster of these flowers. under my photo. And yes, I love decorating this scrapbook page, and I use a lot of extra text and word strips and different clusters I made on this page. Welcome to paradise, be happy, love these word strips. And here at the top of I made another cluster with some die cut flowers. The little circles or bubbles, the holy moly circles. I love the holy moly sets, and so easy to use on your scrapbook pages, and it gives your page just a little extra. And these holy moly bubbles are really a must-have if you use your perspectives on your layout. So just like I use these holy moly circles just like dots. So I think it's time to make some splatters, and I make my white splatters using some white acrylic paint from Martha's to Wood Crafts. And the color that I use is satin, and I mix it with a little bit of water, and with my pencil, with my brush, I mix it a little bit and I splatter around. And I think these white splatters are so festive, and I like the design of these splatters. And of course I wanted to use the new Distress Oxide color. It's a very beautiful blue color of this Distress Oxide, and it's called Price Ribbon. So I made some blue splatters too on this page. Here I added some extra word strip, and this is how I built my page, and I'm very happy with the result, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I want to thank you for watching this video for Bramble Fox, and I hope I was able to inspire you with this scrapbook layout. And of course, don't forget to check the Bramble Fox Facebook group and the website for more new perspectives goodies. And I hope to see you next time with another video for Bramble Fox on the Bramble Fox YouTube channel. For now, I wish you a crafty and beautiful day. Bye bye!